How to log in or sign in into your Keka account. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to log in into your Keka account. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch your preferred browser. Click search bar and type in keka.com. Press enter on your keyboard. Now you'll reach on the official interface of Keka. To log in or sign in, click login button at top right. Now you are on the login page of Keka, where you have multiple options to log in. You can log in into your Keka account using email or username, continue with mobile, continue with Microsoft, Google, or username. When you choose Google, you'll be required to enter your Google account credentials and log in. So here you can easily enter your login credentials and click continue button, and following on your screen prompts, you will successfully log into your Keka account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.